Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day because I'm adding a new router bit to my wooden sole router bit collection. And as you know, those days are not often, so I want to dive right into showing you what exciting bits I have made for the Shaper Origin community. This here is the Woodpecker 16 by 16 clearing router bit, and I have a video showing this bit and comparing it to the one sold from Shaper Origin. As you can see, it has 3 flutes here. It's a 16 by 16 head. You can remove a lot of material with that really fast. It's a wonderful bit, solid carbide. The one from Woodpecker has this bearing ring which you can remove, so that's not a big deal. For the Woodpecker one, you pay $60. For the one from Shaper Origin, $160. This, my friends, is the new one from Wooden Sole. As you can see, it has also a 16 by 16 head, but if you watch carefully, see if you see that in the video, it has 4 flutes. Not only 3, it has 4. In addition, it has a much longer shank. The one from Woodpecker has a 72mm shank, but the one from Wooden Sole, a 90mm shank. So that's it. That is the idea. A 16 by 16 to remove a lot of material, but with 4 flutes, 4 blades. If you have an additional blade, each blade has to remove less wood, and that helps to create a cleaner cut. And the idea of having a longer shank is that you can do really deep pocket cuts, and I have a video showing how to do that with a Shaper Origin. So I made, for instance, this pencil holder here using this bit, and as you can see, there's enough of shank left to hold in your collet, and you can therefore drill really deep. And so I use that. There's not a lot to show. It is really nice, like butter. You go through the material. And as you can see in this picture, like this is after a 6mm cut. The cut is really clean. That's without sanding, just raw cut, one pass, and you can see how nice it looks. It wouldn't be me if I don't try to make this cheaper than everything else, because the idea is that if you are being ripped off by Shaper Tools already, you're not ripped off by me. So how much does that cost? I am able to offer this for 40 Swiss francs, which is about $50 US. So for $10 less than the Woodpecker, you get a longer shank and you get an additional flute. So I think that's a good deal. And out of the family of those 16 by 16 bits, it's clearly the best for the price. It's solid carbide, the highest quality one you can get. I worked with a bit producer on this, and I made, like always, 50 for a start to see how fast they sell. So you can buy them right now on my Etsy store. You'll find the link to that bit in the video description. Now that I'm adding this bit to my bit family, I'm also expanding the bundle. There is a bundle where you get a 25% discount if you buy everything I sell for the Shaper Origin. So that's this new 16 by 16 bit. It's the Beast, the 25 by 25 clearing router bit. It is the O-Flute 5mm bit that is longer than the one from Shaper Origin. The base extension, so you can do really large pocket cuts, and also a roll of the Wonder tape, which is not made by me, it's made by Merdad, but I'm selling it for him too here in Europe. And all of this together, if you buy all of that together, you get a 25% discount. All right, that was it. That was a little video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this information across other people who have the Shaper Origin, and see you around.